Having issues with the press and hold function on your AirPods Pro 3? You're not alone. This gesture controls noise cancellation modes and Siri activation. A short press and hold cycles through noise control modes: active noise cancellation, transparency, and off. A longer hold activates Siri. Common culprits include dirt blocking sensors, low battery, outdated firmware, Bluetooth interference, or misconfigured settings. Begin by cleaning your AirPods with a soft, dry cloth to remove any dirt or debris. Ensure they're fully charged. Test in a quiet area away from potential Bluetooth interference, like microwaves. Check your settings. Go to Settings, Accessibility, AirPods, and Verify. Press and hold Siri is configured correctly with your noise control options. Make sure your iOS version is up to date, minimum iOS 18. These steps solve the issue for many users. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try a hard reset. Place your AirPods in the charging case, open the lid, and press and hold the setup button on the back of the case for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber, then white. This resets the connection and firmware. Ensure your AirPods firmware is up to date. Typically, this happens automatically via the Find My app when connected to your iPhone. However, you can manually check by going to Settings, General, About, AirPods, Firmware version. Outdated firmware is a frequent cause of gesture-related problems. If problems persist after a reset and firmware update, it could indicate a hardware defect. Apple's Support app now features AI-driven diagnostics that can often detect sensor faults. If you suspect a hardware problem, especially if your AirPods are still under warranty 1 year, contact Apple Support for repair or replacement. User reports suggest that persistent Siri activation delays or inconsistent noise control toggling often point to hardware issues requiring professional attention. Stay up to date with iOS updates, as they often include fixes for AirPods-related bugs.